The first light of dawn breaks over the valley, casting a golden glow across the rolling hills of the rural farmstead. Here, in the heart of the countryside, the day begins with a quiet rhythm that has remained unchanged for centuries. The herd awakens, moving with a steady, peaceful grace as they gather in the dew-kissed morning mist. For the workers, this isn't just a job. It's a way of life that requires patience and deep compassion. Inside the barn, the air is filled with fresh hay and the gentle sounds of cattle being tended with care. Every interaction is a testament to the bond between human and animal, a relationship built on trust. As the sun climbs higher, the farm thrives under the watchful eyes of those who call this land home. As evening falls, peace settles over the fields, closing another chapter in the life of the farm.
The first light of dawn touches the rolling green fields of the farm, blanketed in a soft morning mist. As the sun begins its ascent, a warm golden glow spreads slowly across the landscape, waking the world. Inside the quiet, spacious sheds, the cows rest in the cool morning air, content and calm. The only sound is the gentle chirping of birds as they take flight, dancing through the misty morning sky. There's a profound sense of peace here, where the land and life exist in perfect harmony. Every morning brings a fresh start, a moment of stillness before the day's work begins. The farm stands as a testament to the timeless beauty and dedication of rural life. Experience the quiet beauty of a new day on the farm. As the sun begins to crest over the horizon, a new day begins on the farm. The quiet morning air is filled with the rhythmic sound of bicycles on the path. From near and far, the community gathers, ready for the work ahead. Greetings are shared, a nod, a smile, strengthening the bonds of those who tend the land. Preparation begins with steady hands and years of experience. Every step is grounded in a deep respect for the soil. In every face, there is a story of resilience and pride. The tools of the trade are readied as the morning dew begins to lift. Together they step into the fields, the heart of the farm's vitality. This is the rhythm of the farm, honest work, community, and the promise of a bountiful day.
As dawn breaks, the day begins. Workers head to the fields, ready to tend to the land under the first light of day. The air is fresh, and the vast fields of fodder sway gently in the breeze, a sea of green stretching as far as the eye can see. From this low perspective, we see the intricate beauty of the land, nurtured by rich soil in the morning mist. The gentle touch of sunlight brings warmth to the quiet fields, illuminating the vibrant life that thrives in this sanctuary. Here, peace is found in every corner. The vastness of the green fields offers a sense of freedom and tranquility. It's a tradition of hard work and harmony. These workers carry the knowledge of generations, caring for the bountiful harvest. Nurtured by the elements, the morning dew is a reminder of the cycle of life that sustains us all, a quiet moment of reflection. As the day ends, a warm golden glow settles over the land, a peaceful conclusion to a day dedicated to the simple beauty of nature. The day begins with the rhythm of the land, where every blade of grass tells a story of hard work. It is a labor of precision, passed down through generations. With every stroke, there is a focused intent, a connection between man and earth. It's not just work, it's an exhibition of pure effort and dedication. Modern tools join traditional hands to maintain the balance of the harvest. The sound of the blade is the heartbeat of the morning. There is no substitute for the steady hands that know this soil. Together, they move with a purpose that transcends the heat of the day. Precision is maintained in the quiet moments of preparation. As the sun climbs, the labor remains, a testament to the enduring spirit of the land.
In the heart of the fields, a rhythmic dance begins. It's not just about gathering grass. It's about the silent language of teamwork. Every rake stroke, every shared load, speaks of a common goal. Together, they transform the scattered into the gathered, finding strength in their collective effort. As the piles grow, so does the sense of accomplishment. Harmony in motion. It's the small, individual actions that build the foundation of a great team. Support and trust are the tools that make the heaviest tasks light. The landscape changes, reflecting the power of shared purpose. Every detail matters when everyone is invested in the outcome. A shared victory is always sweeter, a team united by their work. As the sun dips low, the field stands as a testament to what can be achieved when hands work in harmony.
In the heart of the fields, the day begins with the weight of the harvest. Every knot is a promise of stability, every pull a testament to strength. The earth rises to meet the machine, a dance of dust and iron. It's the quiet power of hands that know the soil, the grit that builds the future. Bound by tradition, secured by hard work. From the earth to the hearth, the journey continues. The tools of the trade, seasoned by seasons of toil. A rhythm as old as time, a labor of love for the land. Leaving behind the mark of a day well spent. Strength in every straw. This is the harvest. The day begins early in the heart of the countryside, where the rhythm of life is set by the land. Heading toward the farm, our tractor carries a heavy load of fresh fodder for the livestock. Every turn on these old dirt roads tells a story of hard work and dedication. High-quality feed is essential, and every delivery is a promise kept to the farm. The tracking camera captures the steady, reliable pace of rural transportation. Through valleys and across streams, the journey continues with purpose. The farm comes into view, a welcome sight after the long trek across the fields. Passing through the gates, the delivery is almost complete. The heart of the farm beats faster as the supplies arrive. Another successful run, ensuring the farm stays nourished and ready for the days ahead. In the quiet of the morning, the farm begins its gentle rhythm. Inside the barn, there is a profound sense of stillness. Close-ups reveal the calm, soulful nature of these gentle creatures. Listen closely to the soft sounds of the herd, a language of quiet contentment. Every movement is deliberate, every sound a whisper of the farm's heart. They wait with a patience that only nature truly understands. In their eyes, we see a reflection of the peace they inhabit, a rhythm of life that remains unchanged by the bustling world outside. Here, time slows down, allowing for a moment of pure, natural connection. A simple, beautiful life, unfolding one quiet moment at a time. The day begins with the careful preparation of fresh, nutrient-rich fodder. Our dedicated workers ensure that every cow receives the highest quality feed. Distribution is a precise process, ensuring every animal gets their fair share. It's a moment of community as the herd gathers for their morning meal. Rows of cows, side by side, enjoying their meal in a calm and structured environment. Look closely and you'll see the simple satisfaction in every bite they take. Freshness is key to their health and the overall quality of our farm's output. Providing for our animals is more than a job. It's a commitment to their well-being. The barn is filled with the rhythmic and peaceful atmosphere of a contented herd. Healthy cows, quality feed, and a peaceful home, that's our daily promise. Morning breaks on the farm, bringing a quiet sense of peace. Here, life moves at nature's pace. The cows graze calmly, content in their surroundings. Protection and care are everywhere. Calves stay close to their mothers, learning the ways of the herd. This isn't just a workplace, it's a thriving ecosystem of care. The bond between humans and animals is built on respect and gentle hands. Every feeding is an act of stewardship, ensuring the health of every member of the farm family. In this environment of trust, even the youngest find the joy to play. The barn provides a safe haven, a place of rest and routine. As the day ends, the herd finds comfort in their community. This is the true rhythm of the farm: harmony, health, and a shared life.
Excellence begins long before the first spray of water. It starts with the right gear. Every hose is checked for precision and flow. Preparation is our foundation. The right tool for every surface. We leave nothing to chance. It's about the mindset, a commitment to detail that defines our work. Technical readiness ensures flawless execution on every job. We use the best solutions to deliver the best results. Coordination is key. We move as one team with one goal. Safety and professionalism are at the core of everything we do. Ready for action. Every tool is primed and ready. Preparation complete. Now the real work begins. We are ready when you are.
Maintaining a hygienic environment is absolutely crucial for modern dairy farming. Regular cleaning of cow sheds ensures the health of the herd and the quality of the milk. High-pressure washing is efficient, removing dirt and bacteria effectively. The steam you see is a sign of deep cleaning and effective sanitation in action. A clean floor means fewer pathogens, safer footing, and happier cows. We prioritize cleanliness in every step of our daily operations. This rigorous process creates a sustainable and comfortable environment for our livestock. Proper drainage and water management are key components of the hygiene protocol. Clean sheds, healthy cows, quality produce. That is our standard. In the quiet of the barn, a special bond forms through the simplest of acts. It begins with a touch, a sign of mutual trust and respect. Daily brushing isn't just about cleaning. It's a massage that soothes the soul. Stress melts away, replaced by a deep sense of calm and well-being. For the caretakers, it's a moment of connection, listening to what the animals need. Every stroke strengthens the bond between human and animal, a silent language of comfort spoken through gentle care. This is the art of care, where trust is built, one brush stroke at a time.
Modern dairy farming relies on impeccable hygiene standards. It begins right here in the milking parlor. High-grade stainless steel equipment is the industry standard, ensuring both durability and superior sanitation. Our dedicated workers play a crucial role, meticulously maintaining a sterile environment throughout the facility. Tools are sanitized with precision before and after every use to prevent any cross-contamination. This rigorous process minimizes bacteria and guarantees the absolute safety and freshness of the milk. A professional setup prioritizes a clean, stress-free environment for both the herd and the final product. From the equipment maintenance to the daily handling routines, every single step matters. This is how we ensure the highest quality dairy reaches your table day after day.
Dairy farming is an art that blends tradition with modern technology. It starts here, in the quiet of the morning. Healthy, contented cows are the heart of any dairy operation. Their comfort is the top priority. Traditionally, milking was done by hand, a slow, rhythmic process that built a bond between farmer and animal. Today, modern machines ensure efficiency and hygiene. They gently pulse, mimicking the natural nursing of a calf. The result is a steady flow of fresh, nutritious milk ready to be processed. Technology helps farmers monitor health and quality, ensuring every drop meets the highest standards. From the pasture to the pail, and finally to your table. This is the journey of dairy farming.
From the source, it begins with purity, fresh, warm, and untouched. Nature's warmth is captured in every drop, preserved in a controlled environment, collected into medical-grade stainless steel, ensuring absolute hygiene and safety. In this clean, controlled environment, quality is not just a goal, it's a guarantee. Every step is monitored, every movement is precise, filtering out impurities while keeping the essential nutrients intact. A seamless journey from the farm to the final vessel, freshness locked in, ready for the world.
In the dairy industry, quality is a commitment. Every drop of milk undergoes rigorous inspection. The process begins with visual assessment, checking for the perfect white hue and consistent texture. Our inspectors look for any deviations, ensuring only the best milk proceeds through our facility. Advanced tools measure viscosity to ensure every batch meets our strict professional standards. Professional handling is paramount. Every sample is treated with absolute care to maintain its integrity. We analyze the molecular composition, checking for fat, protein, and ultimate purity. Findings are meticulously documented. Continuous monitoring allows us to maintain excellence. We ensure quality you can trust, because you deserve nothing less than the best.
The day's work is done, and a golden hush falls over the land. In the meadows, the herd finds their rest, gentle giants in the fading light. The earth breathes a sigh of relief, cooling under the amber sky. There is a timeless peace here, found nowhere else, where nature and nurture meet in quiet harmony. Welcome to the golden hour. Welcome home. Let the tranquility wash over you. Rest now. The night is here.
There is a unique peace that comes at the end of a long day in the fields. It starts with a simple rinse. It's the weight of honest labor transformed into the lightness of a job well done, earned through hours in the sun. Shared moments and quiet chatter fill the air as tools are set aside. A time for connection and simple joy. The earth begins its rest now, just as we do. The fields are blanketed in the fading golden light. The day's frantic rhythm slows. We move with the same deliberate care we used to plant the seeds this morning. Every step away from the field is a step toward home, carrying the pride of the harvest and well-earned rest, leaving the land better than we found it. Tomorrow we begin again. Rest is well-earned tonight, until the sun rises on a new day. Good night to the land and those who tend it.
As the sun sets, a peaceful quiet settles over the farm. The world slows down, and every creature finds its rest.
Under a blanket of stars, the night is still. Sleep well.